Here's a product demo for ClickyClicker, a click automation tool. I will be using a testing tool I created for this demo that places an emoji wherever you click on the screen to demonstrate ClickyClicker. First, you will notice when the application launches that an overlay is drawn on the primary monitor. This overlay is where you draw your click areas by holding Shift and clicking and drawing to create each click area. You also have the ability to change which monitor to draw the overlay on in the toolbar if you have multiple monitors and need to select a specific monitor. Once the areas have been created, you can then select the Customize Intervals button on the ClickyClicker toolbar and set custom intervals between each click. Once you have those custom times set, you can click play and see how ClickyClicker clicks randomly within the defined click areas in sequential order. Notice on the ClickyClicker toolbar on the far right that it shows each click location and the time it is waiting in milliseconds. Now that our click sequence is playing, it will cycle repeatedly until you decide to click the stop button. Once you click stop, you can also click reset and it will remove the click areas you defined. ClickyClicker is available for purchase via the links in my social media profiles at the TJ Kennedy on X and Instagram. Thanks for tuning in.